how to use the Reps by Triumph app. So this is going to be a full guide. Once you open up the app for the first time, you will see a bunch of card packs. Now, I want you to pay attention to the top left corner. Currently, Pokemon is selected, but Reps by Triumph also offers basketball cards and also One Piece card packs, digital card packs. So these are all digital card packs which you can get. Now, how this works essentially, you want to focus on your balance in the top right. And here, if I click on the plus sign, I can add money to my balance. Now, currently the accepted payment methods are going to be Apple Pay, PayPal, Venmo, and crypto. You will just have to type the amount which you want to add and then click on Pay With and your selected payment method. So what if you have already added money to your balance? You have different tiers of cards. So here you can see this is going to be the Pokemon starter pack. You will see the minimum value and the max pool which you can get from this pack, and the price is on the button itself, the one that I've highlighted currently. You have different tiers, as you can see, with different max pulls and minimum pulls, and you can go all the way up to some pretty hefty prices. Okay, so those are essentially the packs which you can get. What else do we have on the app? On the app, we have the showroom. So here people will display cards which they have gotten or pulls. So currently you can see this Shining Gyarados Hollow is insanely expensive. Here you can display your own cards as well if you have any to display, which leads me to my next section, or the next section, which is going to be collection. Here you will see your voted cards, and you can read more information about it, but basically here you will see your cards which you have pulled in the collection section. As for the rewards, right here you will have a referral code, and you can enter a referral code right here, which is going to give you and the person whom referred you rewards. And you have weekly rewards. If you get packs to upgrade, you will be able to claim your reward at the end of the week. So here you can see a starter pack is the reward, and you can claim it in 5 days and 20 hours 46 minutes. And the very last section of this app is going to be the account section. Here you will see how many packs you've opened, your biggest pool, and you're also given the option of cashing out, so you can withdraw your balance here. You will need to verify your identity, and once you verify your identity, then you can cash out. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.